no matter how long it may take us to overcome this premeditated invasion, the American people in their righteous might will win through to absolute victory.
What if a single nation could project military power across every ocean, every continent, and every corner of the planet? Today, the United States maintains hundreds of military bases around the world. Its Navy patrols the oceans, its aircraft dominate the skies, and its technology shapes the future of modern warfare. From advanced fighter jets to nuclear submarines and global satellite systems, American military power has become one of the most influential forces in modern history. But how did the United States build the most powerful military in the world? The answer begins during one of the most devastating conflicts humanity has ever faced: the Second World War. When World War II erupted in the 1940s, much of the world was already engulfed in conflict. Europe and Asia became massive battlefields, and nations struggled to sustain their war efforts. The United States entered the war later than many other countries, but when it did, it transformed the scale of the conflict. American industry rapidly shifted toward wartime production. Factories that once produced cars and consumer goods began building tanks, aircraft, ships, and weapons at an unprecedented rate. This massive industrial mobilization turned the United States into what President Franklin D. Roosevelt famously called the arsenal of democracy. By the end of the war, the United States possessed one of the largest and most technologically advanced militaries ever assembled. After the war ended, a new global rivalry quickly emerged. The United States and the Soviet Union entered a decades-long geopolitical competition known as the Cold War. This rivalry was not only political, but technological and military. Both superpowers invested enormous resources into developing new weapons systems. Nuclear arsenals expanded, long-range missiles were created, and advanced aircraft pushed the boundaries of engineering. During this era, the United States developed cutting-edge technologies, including stealth aircraft, nuclear submarines, and satellite-based defense systems. Military innovation became a defining feature of the Cold War. As global tensions continued, the United States established a vast international network of military alliances and bases. Through organizations like NATO, the United States strengthened its presence across Europe and beyond. American military bases were built across strategic regions of the world, allowing rapid deployment of troops, aircraft, and naval forces. This global infrastructure allowed the United States to respond quickly to conflicts, maintain international security commitments, and project military power across multiple continents. Over time, this network became one of the largest military presences ever maintained by a single nation. In the modern era, American military power is defined not only by numbers, but by technology. Advanced fighter aircraft, such as the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, represent some of the most sophisticated machines ever created. Meanwhile, aircraft carriers serve as floating air bases capable of projecting military power across the oceans. The United States also operates advanced satellite networks, cyber defense systems, and intelligence capabilities that support modern warfare. These technologies allow the military to operate on a global scale with unprecedented speed and precision. Today, the United States maintains one of the largest defense budgets and the most technologically advanced military forces in history. Its Navy controls strategic sea lanes, its Air Force dominates the skies, and its technological research continues pushing the boundaries of modern defense systems. From the battlefields of the Second World War to the advanced technologies of the 21st century, American military power has evolved into a global force unlike any before it. A combination of industrial strength, technological innovation, and international alliances helped shape the most powerful military system the modern world has ever seen.